This structure practice will be a continuation for the earlier one, what was in structures and patterns 9. Meaning, in this we will have simple sentences and how the simple present interrogatives are framed. That will be the basic concept and the objective of this video. So, you see here the book is new, it is a positive sentence, that is a statement, and this is a interrogative, that is the book is new. And here two ways you can ask a question. One is the book is new. If somebody says, you can say, is the book new? Is the book new? Is the book new? Or is it new? Here the pronoun stands for the book. We are not telling the noun again, we are using a pronoun. So, in this practice, let us use the pronoun and construct the interrogative sentences. It will be helpful for us in our acquisition of fluency as well as accuracy in grammar, and our spoken English also can be developed well. The book is new. Is it new? So, repeat. The book is new. Is it new? The movie is new. Is it new? The fruits are fresh. Are they fresh? The house is new. Is it new? The shirt is new. Is it new? The car is new. Is the car new or is it new? The bus is new. Is the bus new or is it new? Like that. Neela is happy. Is Neela happy? And in place of Neela, we are using the pronoun, that is she. So, is she happy? Neela is happy. Is she happy? Ram is sad. Is he sad? Neelam is happy. Is she happy? She is active. Is she active? She is lazy. Is she lazy? She is angry. Is she angry? She is upset. Is she upset? This way we have to ask the questions. The boys are tired. Are they tired? Are they tired? Here they refers to the boys. This is the pronoun for boys. So, here you see the book is open. Is the book open or is it open? Say, the book is open. Is it open? Monica is sad. Is she sad? I will pause now. I will read this sentence and pause, then I will put the question, I will pause. So, you have to repeat. The book is open. Is it open? Monica is sad. Is she sad? The pencils are red. Here focus on this plural. Are they red? The pencils are red. Are they red? The books are open. Are they open? The girls are sad. Are they sad? So, here today we are seeing primarily is and are only. Present tense only we are seeing. We are seeing only the present tense. We are not touching the past tense now. So, Monica is sad. Is she sad? The pencils are red. Are they red? My parents are busy. Are my parents busy? Or are they busy? My parents are busy. Are they busy? John and Pinky are angry. Are they angry? John and Pinky are angry. Are they angry? The window is open. Is the window open? Say, the window is open. Is the window open? The house is big. Is the house big? Renu is excited. Is she excited? Max is active. Is he active? Max is active. Is he active? Ali is busy. Is he busy? The cat is hungry. Is the cat hungry or is it hungry? The dogs are cute. Are they cute? Are the dogs cute? Or they here refers to dogs. They here refers to dogs. Now, let us go to Another format. Is the key, we will start with the question now. Is the key large? Yes, it is. If it is large, you have to say, yes, it is. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Are you busy? Yes, I am. Is he busy? Yes, he is. Is he there in home? Yes, he is. So, is the key large? Yes, it is. Otherwise, no, it isn't. No, it isn't. Is the table heavy? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is Laila a teacher? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is Laila a teacher? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. If it is a negative answer, is Miller rich? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. He isn't. Is Mary from Mexico? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is the book blue? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are the children sleepy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Are the shirts red? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Are the boxes heavy? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Repeat with me so that habit formation takes place. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Are they your parents? No, they aren't my parents. If they are not your parents. If they are your parents, you will say, oh, yes, they are. Yes, they are. You need not say, yes, they are my parents, because it is understood. Are they your parents? Yes, they are. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. Are these your book? No, they aren't. They are not my books. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Are you from India? Yes, I am. No, I amn't. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are you an artist? Yes, I am. No, I amn't. I am not. Now, let us see how we will give the real answer. See here, forget about this. Now, is the key large? No, it isn't. It is small. Is the key large? No, it isn't. It is small. Is the table heavy? No, it isn't. It is light in weight. Is Laila a teacher? No, she isn't. She is an advocate. Is Miller rich? No, he isn't. He is poor. Is Mary from Mexico? No, she isn't. She is from Australia. Is the book blue? No, it isn't. It is yellow. Are the children sleepy? No, they aren't. They are active. Are the shirts red? No, they aren't. They are blue. Are the boxes heavy? Again, are the boxes heavy? No, they are. They are light in weight. Are they your friends? No, they aren't. They are my neighbors. Are you from India? No, I am not. I am from Sri Lanka. Is he a doctor? No, he isn't. He is an engineer. Are you an artist? No, I am not. I am a singer. You see, they are real answers. So, in your class, what you can do? You can play by keeping another person in front of you and keep on asking him, is your brother's name is so and so? He will say, yes, it is. Or he will say, no, it isn't. His name is Amit. Is he studying in college? No, he isn't. He is in school. Is he a football player? No, he isn't. He plays hockey, like that. So, real answers you can give, by which what happens? You learn how to frame simple questions and give very crisp and brief answers. So, that this type of practice teachers also can give in class by making children in pair, and they will ask real questions to them, and the questions they will ask questions to know about them, and the real answers can be given by the children. That is way a fluency exercise can be done and drill can be given, and their fluency and accuracy of using the language will become all right. So, let us see in the next video some other interesting things. Thank you.